Everyone, and a special thank you to Jonathan in San Antonio, Texas. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is Moe Better, but call me Moe Better, because I'm have you seeing Moe Better, looking Moe Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Jonathan's Ray-Ban 2132 new Wayfarer color 6143 in the metallic gunmetal. And now he got, well, before I tell you what he got, I'll tell you what he's got. He's got a very loving wife by the name of Robin, who, if it wasn't for her, he wouldn't be getting this 5-minute little video now. In fact, she wanted everything from start to finish. So let me show you cutting the lenses really quick. I'm going to pick this up, hit that button, wave my magic wand, boom, it's done. Okay, Robin, was that enough? And the extra thing for loving wives, which I have got one, I am taking my mother-in-law out to dinner tonight with my wife. Don't get any crazy ideas. I'm trying to see her behind my back. Although I did marry my wife to get to my mother-in-law because, oh, can she cook. Every time we walk in her house, I'm like, this is how the... I was about to say her last name. Let's just call it Smith. This is how Smith women should be talking. But because of that, I am wearing pink pants. That's right, pink. Getting them out of the closet. My wife bought them for me to wear to church on Easter, but I decided to get them out of the closet anyway. So, because of Jonathan's loving wife, Robin, I'm going to show you his Ray-Ban 2132 new Wayfarer size 55. Now this frame comes in 3 sizes, 52, 55, and 58. They don't have all the colors available in the 58 yet, should anyone need the largest size possible, but I'll try and have all the colors listed on the website. The color is 6143, the metallic gunmetal. And he's got the Essilor, that's right, I said Essilor Transitions XTRActive Grey with the blue flash mirror. I call it flash mirror, they call it the style mirror. You call it whatever you want. But this is what they look like now. I'm going to go ahead and expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Before I do that, I want everyone to know that any of the flash mirrors from Essilor or from Zeiss come with a back surface anti-glare coating, so there's no need to purchase any additional anti-glare. That is there. It can't go on the front of the lens because that's where the mirror is at, but it can go on the back surface of the lens. So let me show them in action. I'm going to go ahead and expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute 15 to return back to virtually clear. Now, this is important. All photochromic lenses will turn dark on day 1 and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, having said that, these Essilor Photo Fusion Extra Gray lenses will get 30 to 50% dark behind a windshield. The other thing about photochromic lenses is they'll get darker on day 1. Actually, hang on, I just want to show you this. So when Jonathan looks out, he's going to see the extra dark gray. When people look at him, they're going to see the blue mirror. But as I was saying, they're also temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, these Transitions XTRActive Grey are designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside. They will get darker in hotter weather. They also block 50 to 70% of the harmful blue light emitted from today's electronic devices, such as cell phones, tablets, computer screens, and of course the #1 source of blue light on the planet. Anyone? That's right, the sun, the source of life for this planet. So, the regular transition lenses will block 30 to 50%. The extra gray will block 50 to 70. And as I keep talking, these will get lighter and lighter. You're going to get all the manufacturer's original packaging from Ray-Ban, including the bar-coded case, the soft Italian leather Ray-Ban case with cleaning cloth and junk mail, because you just don't get enough in your regular one. The original lenses that come with the frame, I will package these up and ship back. And If you have any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website. If you'd rather talk to someone on the phone, call this number, 919-491-2411, and you'll get Jigsaw, my website developer / apprentice. He can answer all the questions for you. And he's even texted me on the phone. When he's had someone on the phone who can't answer the question, he'll text me so he can answer it to you in real time. You can also leave a question or a comment in the comment section below. I'm going to include not only a selfie request. Come on, Robin, get Jonathan to do this for me. In fact, why don't you sit on Jonathan's lap and take the selfie of the two of you. Do one inside and then one outside, showing the one with them clear, one with the blue mirror showing. But I also include instructions not only how to care for your frame and lenses, but for the premium microfiber cloth that I provide and your Ray-Ban cloth, and instructions on how to care for the case so it too will last you for years. No other seller on the internet does that. You can also now leave product reviews for anything you purchase on the website. So that's a new plus. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Click the round icon with my face in the center of it to subscribe. Click the bell so you can be notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as they become available. I don't believe I've ever done this color new Wayfarer, and definitely not with the Essilor Transitions XTRActive Grey with the blue flash mirror. Back when it returns back to clear, it looks just like a blue anti-glare coating on steroids. There is still a residual mirror effect inside because at the heart of it, it's a mirror. So that's that. Thank you to Jonathan and Robin in San Antonio, Texas. 2 Texas people in a row. And by the way, that's what I was going to say. This is the frame that started, not this particular color, but this model number, the Ray-Ban 2132 New Wayfarer, is what started me selling online. I was originally selling just the lenses on eBay, and it grew from there. I could even start to offer prescription lenses. Someone asked, well, can you get me the frame and the lenses? And the light bulb went off, and I said, well, I guess so. I guess I could do that, being an authorized dealer. So I still do a lot of lenses only. That's why I keep these frame fronts. One for the 55 eye size, one for the 52. I keep a 58 hiding around too, but I just don't have that in the video because I'm just not prepared. But nonetheless, let's hear it for the wives out there. Robin, mine, my mother-in-law. Our worlds would not be the same. I'm designing, my wife has kept me on task. Her official job title is toe puller because I will reach for the stars. Her job is to grab me by the toes, pull me back down to earth and say, finish this project, finish this one, then you can start on the next one, because I would have about a half a dozen unfinished projects and none of them complete. But as I'm designing my own frames now, and with that website, I'm going to have a banner across the top that says this website is dedicated to my mother who gave me life and to my wife who has filled it with meaning. So let's hear it for wives and mothers out there. Nothing would get done without them. So, Jonathan, your wife Robin loves you very much. Thank you for her purchase of your Ray-Ban 2132 New Wayfarer, size 55, color 6143, with your Essilor Transitions XTRActive Grey with the blue flash mirror. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.